Baby, now hold me close, let's take this overboard now.
Hey guys, oh my gosh, I can hear my music that I'm playing on my phone. I am in a cheetah girl mood today, so I've just been listening to their soundtrack. I'm not really doing much. I didn't go to Service Ontario, and I said Service Canada, which is so embarrassing, but I didn't get to go to Service Ontario because it was closed, so I'm gonna try to go today. I also am going to a nail supply store to see if I can find some shellac colors, and I am going to a patio with my friends, so I am hoping to vlog my entire day. Hopefully. It is now 12:16. I'm about to leave and meet my hairdresser actually at the nail supply store, and then I am going to Jack Astor's. And if you guys don't know what Jack Astor's is, it's like a pub style restaurant, so we're gonna go there, have some drinks, food, chit chat. So I will see you guys in a little bit. So this is my OOTD. I'm just wearing this dress from Shein. It's the same dress that I wore in my previous vlog when we threw the barbecue for my dad. So I'm just wearing this and this satchel Louis bag, cute little nude sandals. But yeah, let me show you my makeup in some good lighting. Focus. Yeah, so this is my makeup. You guys know the deal. I do pretty much the same thing every day. I just made my look a little bit more orangey to go with the berry. I feel like that complements it really well. My lip is the Powder Kiss liquid lip in Date Maker, and yeah, I used Morphe eyeshadow palettes on my eyes. I'm gonna be recording the rest of this vlog on my phone just because I'm carrying that little satchel thing. I don't think my phone or my camera could fit in there. I'm gonna try to fit it, because if it could fit, that would be perfect, but I highly doubt that it's gonna fit. So I might have to film with my phone. Sorry if the quality is different in the next couple of clips, But yeah, I will see you guys soon. We are at Jackaster. We're sitting outside on the patio, and guess who gets attacked by bees? Me! Good morning, guys. I am starting this vlog on sort of a negative note. Look at how this looks. Like, I literally need a new dresser. It's falling apart by the day, and I'm pissed. But I am currently packing my stuff. Today's gonna be kind of an exciting day. I've had a bunch of like shoots and stuff over the past couple days and events. So hopefully I'm gonna put these some of the clips and stuff in this vlog. Hey guys, so I just finished getting ready. I am attending the Aneeqa by Pretty Little Thing, their launch. Really excited, and I wanted to take you guys along with me. Yesterday I actually had the PLT end of summer girls night in event. I'm hoping to get some vlog footage for you tonight, so let's cross my fingers. If I don't get it on my camera, I will get it on my phone, but I'm just hoping to get it on my camera so that it's like really good quality. So I'm just wearing this dress, strappy heels. I don't know how I feel about my hair and my makeup today. My mom told me to do red lips, and I'm just like, I don't know if I'm feeling this makeup. Like, maybe I put too much orange in my eyes or something, but we move. Oh well, I don't have any more time to get ready, so I'm going to head out, and I will catch you guys later. Right now I'm packing because I have two back-to-back shoots today. I have a photo shoot with Kiko Karma on Instagram, and I have a music video shoot. It's one that I've already done, but we're just shooting another scene, so I just packed some of my stuff there. And yeah, I actually just finished eating as well. I had, don't mind me eating in my bed, but I had some wings, so I just finished eating that, and then I'm gonna get ready to go to the gym because I don't like to feel bloated when I'm doing my shoots and stuff, so I just figured I'd eat first and then go work it all off. This is gonna be my outfit for today for as long as I'm gonna be wearing my own clothes. But yeah, I look really crusty right now, so I don't want to show you guys my face, but I will talk to you guys in a little bit. So I just finished doing my makeup. this is the look that I went for. It's just a like soft glam look. It's usually what I do, a soft glam. Now I'm about to finish packing my stuff and then I'm going to head to my first shoot of the day. This is what I'm wearing to my shoot, just because I like to be comfortable when I'm traveling there, and then I change into like whatever they're giving me to change in, or like my own clothes. So I'm just wearing this cropped tank that I got from AliExpress, and these are probably my favorite biker shorts that I own because they just make my booty look so good. But yeah, I feel good now that I had a little workout. I feel like my tummy is kind of flat somewhat, but yeah, I'm ready to take on the day. Hey guys, so we are currently shooting for Kiko Karma and Shade Envy. This is the behind the scenes footage. Now I zoomed in.
Those are really cute.
Swimsuits? Yeah, I like it.
You have to get BTS with me to Deja.
Yeah, do you want to use my camera?
Yeah,
or,
too.
Yeah, you can use my camera.
Try to
Do you mind like holding this for me?
Oh, for sure, no problem.
Thank you. But like from over there, so like, thank you so much.
Oh, you want me to take a photo of you?
I got that, yeah.
Oh, video. Okay, cool, cool.
You know, that's it. Perfect.
Oh.
I got to turn it around, I'm guessing. Alright, there we go.
Yeah, sure. I like the magazine for 2 seconds.
have your arms or hands.
It's your world.
Like
Don't fall into it.
I won't.
Yeah. Cover it. Pull your arm up just a tiny bit so that, like, yeah, you go there and kind of. You're getting my face back, yeah.
Don't worry. I only want the bit that I want.
Is that your deodorant dry?
I'm just like zooming in and out. Don't worry. The bit that I want. Because what I want is like to zoom in. I just have to put it all together. Don't worry, it's all gonna be on camera. The bit that I want. There's gonna be songs behind it.
This one. Yes, that's it.
Thanks.
Anytime.
Thank you. Shoot of the day. This one is actually a music and video shoot, so we are going to shoot the first scene in a hotel room. This is my outfit. Say hi to my vlog. Her hair's done. I'll put everything down below in the description so you can check her out on Instagram. Hit her up if you want your hair laid and slayed. I don't know why.
The reason why I said put it, show some case, show my said, so you can go. You know what I mean? That's the only reason why I did say, not because I'm gonna. You feel me? Don't hate.
Want to introduce yourself to the vlog?
Nope.
Why? This is Director J, my bestie, my negative Nancy. Right?
People, we're just trying to be creative right now, but you know, it's so hard when someone give you a flat room.
He's always miserable.
You know, like, life just hard right now. Still, like, we gotta make it work though, you know? We have the
He always
lovely
comes
talent.
through.
You know, we always have to make it work. So we have somebody lovely as you, we can't make it work, is it? So,
And then we see your shots at the end and they're always amazing, so I don't know why you have so much to complain about.
cause it's just, you have to give the artist a hard time first, eh? So you know, you can't make him act like him did everything good.
Yeah, you have to give him some criticism.
Yeah.
No, I get that, I get that. for the vlogging. All right, introducing the artist.
Yeah.
You want to introduce yourself?
Boy, you know. Yeah.
So we're here behind the scenes for your music video.
Yeah, it's called Fire in My Veins, and it's just saying I'm fed up, boiling.
Okay.
It's about time I get this going, and it's like, yo, if you see me, if you rejected me, it's boiling right now.
Okay.
You can feel it. It's all fire.
Okay.
So that's what it really means for me. Yeah.
Love that. You gonna give us a little sample?
Oh, absolutely.
Okay.
So, yeah. Say, I got a love for the fire. Say, I got a love for the flames. Say, I got a love for the hours. Say, I gotta live through the days. So pick it up and go, or sit down for me. And that's just how you know. You just gotta live. You just gotta be what you wanna do. Don't be here with me if you ain't in the mood. I'm just trying to prove. You understand?
Okay, let's get it.